What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I said previously, I was definitely gonna show you some stuff, as they start coming in through the mail. So, what we have here is this is a LS intake. So, some people get these confused with the LS1 intake, but nah, this is a LS6 intake. I bought this LS6 intake off of eBay for $308. This intake came all the way from Australia, y'all. So that's cool, that Australia people like to go fast too. So, I thought that was pretty cool. Also, with these intakes, usually when you buy them, these tabs here be broken. So if you looking to purchase a LS6 intake or LS1 intake, you might want to keep an eye for that tab there, because some people don't know how to get this sensor off. Some people don't know how to get that sensor off. So what they do is they end up breaking it off, and then they end up breaking that tab off. And then most likely with this sensor, they have to zip tie it on there. So when you purchasing one, sometimes they can be missing this tab. Not saying that you still can't use it, but just let you know, things to be looking out for. But I decided to go with the LS6 intake because it flows better than the LS1 intake. So yeah, this one in pretty good condition. I made sure of that. I still have the foam pads at the bottom. Still got the foam pads. I notice a lot of people, they'll shave all this down, so it can fit. I don't think with my application I have to do that. I won't have to do that. So yeah, I think we should be fine clearance wise. But yeah, this is definitely a nice piece to the puzzle for my LS build. Also, I got a fuel rail in also. So I got a fuel rail. I'll show you the fuel rail. Bear with me because I'm holding the camera. But yeah, I got a fuel rail to see in too. So that was a nice added pieces to the puzzle too. But no, this fuel rail did not come with the intake. I got this from somebody, and I shout out to him for giving it to me. Not too many people gonna give you anything for free, But I mess with them though, so you know how it is. So this is my fuel rail. That's my fuel rail to go in there. So that'll go in there like that. Sorry, I'm trying to show y'all. So it'll go in there like that. So I like it, y'all. Look good. It look good. So also, we moving right along. I also got a throttle body from the same guy. Giving me a throttle body. So thought I'd let you see the throttle body. It was real dirty, so I had to clean it up, get a little bit of degreaser, and I degreased it up and stuff like that. Made sure that was cool. I took the sensors off because I'm replacing all my sensors anyway. So, I end up taking them off, the sensors, which they Here they go. These are the sensors. I ain't taking them off. And I think this is a throttle body sensor. Cause I'm replacing all these. I don't want no problems. So yeah. Got a couple things in. And I also got some fuel injectors in. So definitely they EV1 style fuel injectors. EV1 style. You get 30-pound injectors. I bought these off eBay as well. I paid like what, $35 for 8 of them. So they 30 pounds. So definitely, you know, want to get that fuel to the engine. That's another thing I got in. Okay. I got one more thing in. You gotta bear with me. Using one hand again. I already opened the box already. So we have our wire harness. So this is a standalone wire harness that I bought from eBay as well. I think it was like $250, if I'm not mistaken. Like $250. So definitely another piece to the puzzle. But when you're choosing your wire harness, definitely what you want to do, you want to make sure that you get that your wire harness fit the fuel injectors that you buy. Like for instance, my wire harness fits the EV1 style fuel injector. So you definitely want to make sure, you know, you ain't buying a wire harness for EV6 fuel injector. So definitely want to make sure you're getting that. And also this is for a 4L60E wire harness. So like I said, you know, it has the blue and red connectors for the computer. Nice little, you know, piece. So yeah, we definitely moving along. Just got the wire harness. So yeah. I also have one more thing to show y'all that I got in the mail. Let's see. This is my motor mount adapters. Bought this some ICT billet. Got a ICT billet. One thing I like about these motor mount adapters is that it put the Ls motor in the same spot as the small block Chevy, basically in the same spot as the 307. So I like these. So, you know, it's gonna definitely put it in the same spot that the 305 was in. So let you know. Yeah, so those are the ICT billet adapters, motor adapters. So yeah, we got quite a stuff in, quite amount bit of stuff in. So yeah, that's what I got in. So like I said, you know, before, I'm gonna continue to post stuff, letting y'all see my progress of my project. And as again, you know, I want to thank you guys, you know, for watching my videos or anything like that, to see what I have going on, you know. And please like, share, and subscribe, you know. man. Thank you. I'm out.